For this video, I would like to share how to open the ChatGPT account. So we're going to open ChatGPT, which is a very new and very popular, and everybody is talking about a ChatGPT in these few months. You just type in the Google here, ChatGPT, ChatGPT. So when you type ChatGPT, you see here the link is from the Google. So introduction ChatGPT. ChatGPT is from OpenAI. So you will see this page. So once you see this page, you go to try ChatGPT. So you click here. My internet is loading. Okay, right here we already get to the ChatGPT. If you already sign up the account, then you direct log in. If you don't have the account yet, you just sign up. Okay, now actually I already opened the ChatGPT account, but here I can still click sign up. I'm going to show you, so I won't log in. I will just sign up here. I click the sign up here. So this is for the beginning. So here you just fill up your email address if you wish to create the new account, or either you just want to use your Google account here. You just click, because I already have the Gmail Google account, so I just use continues with Google account. And here this is my existing Google account because I already log in this my computer. So I'm going to use this my email account. I click here. So this is for the new user. So now I already log into my ChatGPT page. If you are new, when you pressed your Gmail account, they will ask you your contact number. Then after you provide your contact number, then they will give you the code number. Then you enter your code number which was sent to your SMS according to you provide the phone number. Then you will get to this page. So this is the main page of the ChatGPT. So whatever you want to ask, just like the Google, and you can just simply ask. If from the Google is after you ask the Google, and you have to they will give you the link, and you have to click the link and you will see the web page. But ChatGPT is just like what we communicate to our human face to face. Then this we write for you wherever you ask the question. So I'm going to ask what is ChatGPT. So what is ChatGPT? But you must know what you want to know. You must know how to type it. So what is ChatGPT? And now he's thinking about it, how he is going to answer me. So the ChatGPT is well trained from all of the data. So he got a lot of the data. Then this is what the ChatGPT answer my question. ChatGPT is a large language model developed by OpenAI, which is designed to generate human-like response to natural language input. So now he is answering my question. So if he will answer you the best, then the suitable, the proper answer according to your question. And if his answer is very long, and if you want to stop his answer here, you can just press the stop generation. Otherwise he will keep continuous and see sometimes it's maybe around 2 paragraph or 3 paragraph depending on your question. So this is a very convenient. even the ChatGPT, he can write the code from the any code he can write for us. So this he already stopped automatically. So this is what he answered me my question, what is a ChatGPT. You can ask whatever, he can write the code. Write for me, let's say I want to make one program, the simple program. Write for me LED blinking code in C++. Okay. So I'm requesting LED blinking code for C++, which is with the Arduino. So this is the automatically he write for me the code. So include Arduino.h, this LED pin. I'm going to use LED pin 13, and this is the delay. So even he explained me how he used this code. We define the pin. So setup loop. So all of this he can write the code. So whatever the code you need it, he can write for you, but you must have something that according to his explanation, we have to be familiar. So if he choose the pin 13, the LED pin we must connect to the pin 13, and this is the delay. So this is very convenient, and now whatever the question you ask, he can answer, but it's not confirmed yet 100% all is reliable. Some may be still missing, but this almost 90 to 98% is depending on your question. This is very correct. We can say it's a very correct. In the future we're going to use a lot that we're going to depend already ChatGPT. So I hope you understand how to open a ChatGPT account. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.